Hey guys, what's up? It's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be, from the title, it's going to be like a quick 5-minute, 10-minute makeup tutorial. This is good for school, for work. This is super quick, it's super easy. I feel like it might take like, this is probably going to be like a 10 or 11-minute video or even less, but as you like practice and you do this every day, it becomes faster and faster each day because you're like used to it. It's like a routine. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna prime and moisturize. So I already moisturized with the Dual Action Moisturizer. I've been using this for years and I really like it. If you guys have a good like acne moisturizer that you guys would love to recommend, please let me know because I need a new one. My under eyes, I use the Origins Refreshing Eye Cream. Refreshing eye cream to brighten and depuff, so that's what I use, and it does help to make my dark circles go away and to like puff up my under eyes so that they're not like seeping underneath my skin. And for extra moisture, I do like to use the Pearl Essence Rose Water. You can get this from like Marshalls or TJ Maxx. It just really helps like refreshing, and it smells really good. It smells like roses. Let that set for a minute. And I'm sorry if my setup is not okay. Like I literally lost my iPod. I lost my tripod and I had to put my camera on like boxes in a drawer box. So I hope the angle is like not really bad, but just bear with me, okay? And then for foundation, I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics CC Cream. It's the Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream. And I have the shade medium. This is kind of a little bit too dark, but I make it work with like bronzer and stuff, and when I bring it down to my neck it's like completely fine. So I'm just gonna put this like a full pump, and I'm gonna put this on my skin with a Morphe sponge. And I just like to balance all my cheeks first because that's where I want the most like coverage, and then I'll go ahead and go on my chin. And then bring it in. When I have less product, I bring it like by my nose and underneath my eyes because I don't want to like cake it up right there. And then I'll bring a little bit onto my temples, and whatever's left I'll put it on my forehead just because I feel like I don't need a lot of coverage on my forehead. Ooh, the sun is like seeping through. And then for my concealer, I'm using the Bye Bye Under Eye in medium. It's the full coverage anti-aging waterproof concealer. I love this concealer. I love it. I love this concealer. I just like to put it on my ring finger and then blend it like this because it warms up the product, so it blends really nicely. Can you guys see the difference? It's honestly such an amazing concealer. My girlfriend actually got me this for Christmas, but the way I like to get my like new products, like say I run out of a concealer and you know I'm on the look for a new one, I'll just go on like Sephora online or Ulta and I'll see which one has like the most high ratings and I'll buy it that way, and then I'll try it, and like 90% of the time I'll like love the product. So once I let that set in a little bit, I just like to set my whole face using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I really need to get a new one because I'm running out of this product, and honestly this is like my favorite powder. It's like $40. It's kind of expensive, but this has lasted me literally over a year, so you do the math, it's like not that bad. And it just makes everything look and feel so like beautiful. For bronzer, I'm just going to take my Hoola bronzer by Benefit on a Morphe M530. And I'm just gonna like contour and bronze Put a little bit on my temples, on my forehead. Just to even everything out, and then I like to go back in and actually blend it. And then whatever is left, I like to blend onto my neck and then my chin. Alright, and then what I've been loving doing lately is contouring my nose. So I'll take, I don't know what brush this is, but it's like an angled brush. Eyeshadow brushes work good for it too, but I'll take a little bit, I tap out the excess and put the excess like on my hand, and then I'll just lightly contour my nose. And then I'll go ahead and take any brush, preferably one that has like my powder on it, and then I'll just slightly tap it to like blend it, and put a little bit concealer on the bridge like that. This is the Fit Me by Maybelline in 25 or 20, I'm sorry, it's 20. Yeah, 20 sand. And I'll just blend that out. That way if I got like my bronzer in the middle of my nose, this will help it like look longer. I'm gonna use my NARS Orgasm Blush on my IT Cosmetics blush brush. This is the number 27 brush, I believe. Yeah, number 227. And I'll just put this on my cheeks. Just like that. Alright, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows, and I'll be right back. So after I'm done with my eyebrows, I like to brush out my eyelashes a little bit. And because my bottom lashes and my top ones right here in the corner, they get like stuck together, so I make sure before I put on mascara that I brush them out and like separate them really nicely. What I've been loving to do is actually curling my eyelashes. I don't remember the last time I saw someone use this on YouTube, but I've been like loving it lately, especially since I don't wear like fake eyelashes or anything. And just curl them. And I like to do it a couple times too. They look like really pretty. Sometimes I even feel like I shouldn't even like wear mascara, just because when I curl them they look really pretty. But the mascara that I've been loving is the Maybelline. It's the Lash Blast by CoverGirl, the Clump Crusher. I've been like loving this. It looks like super natural, and it's like really lengthening too. It separates them really nicely. And I always get some on the eyelid, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up as soon as the mascara dries. So that's that eye. And then there's that eye. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on this eye. This one doesn't curl as good as the other one does. I don't know why. Alright, and then for one of the last steps, I'm going to put on some lipstick. This is my favorite lip of all time. It's the Anastasia lipstick, matte lipstick in Buff. So I'm gonna, as you can tell, I love it because I'm down to the nub. I like to overdraw just a little bit, but not like crazy. Just like that. And then what I like to do for like a cute hairstyle I just like to put my hair in like a low bun. And it's very easy and simple and cute. You can like dress it up with like a cute dress or a cute sweater with like high-waisted jeans and some booties, or you can also dress it down too. If you're just having like a lazy day, you're wearing like sweatpants or like leggings with a big huge like jacket or sweatshirt or something like that, and just like Uggs or something, it'll still look cute when you do it like that too. So what I like to do is like to have like my bangs fall in just like that. And then I would brush my hair before, but I lost my brush. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a couple of hairs out. And then I just like to, let's see if I can, let's see. So I like to just twirl it. And then tie it like twice, just like that. And then if it's messed up, like you can always redo it, but usually it comes out perfect like on the first try. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys have any suggestions, just, you know what to do. I ask you every single video. Leave your comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.